What's going on, guys? Woods Unknown coming to you with another episode here. Something small I've been working on. She's hot off the press. What do you think? Working on a little K5 blazer body. Fresh off 3D printer. Just to get a good look of what it's going to look like here. I'll put her on top of my C10. Oh. What do you think? Oh, there you go. What do you think, guys? I think that's going to be awesome looking. Of course, the top don't want to stay on right now, but first hard body. 3D printed. Got it off Thingiverse, so everybody can do it. If you go 3D printer and computer, obviously. But yeah, a little bit of sanding and stuff yet to do, and I think that's going to be an awesome look. Also, been working on a few other things. I'd like to thank my father-in-law, Philip, for all of his hard work with the 3D printing, and I look forward to more teachings. I'll show you a little preview of the front here, guys. Everything's going to be shaved down yet. I'm not done with anything yet. Let's see if you can see this. Alright, there's the grill going in it. Put that in the front of her. That's going to slide in. Poor lighting. And let me see here. Got front and rear bumpers for it. Everything's got to be cleaned up still, but fresh off the printer. If you can see that. Yep. We've got all the little front bucket seats and the back seat. Got little mirrors. Printed two steering wheels off. Got little tail lights for it. The grill, it's got the holes already in it, so I'll be able to pre-mount my lights. But yeah, I think I'm gonna paint it black after I clean everything up, guys, and I really like the body. The body came out really good for the first attempts. Another thing that was put on or built. We'll set these ones over here. Pull this out. Check out what we got here, guys. We have some high clearance arms, fresh off the printer too. And boys, do those ever make a difference. And put that in the middle. And the truck will just sit on her, no problem. No touching whatsoever. Talk about some awesome clearance. Also off Thingiverse, guys. She's free, anybody can do this stuff. But yeah, look at the difference. There's that's what they usually, this is what's off Thingiverse. And then I'll show you my C10. That's what comes normal. So, yeah. I really like those. Those are sharp. I'm gonna get another set and put it on my C10. Trying to keep my C10 as much stock as I can. I really like it. I've done pretty much everything to the Jeep. Front and rear steel axle housings. Oh, I've got the brass steering knuckles on the front. and I also replaced the steering servo with oh, I don't know, the Max, what's the number on that? The ESO8MA2. Supposed to be the newest Fandangle upgrade. Yeah, it hardly fits in there at all. It's not much of an it's obviously a better upgrade, but you have to do a lot of customization to get it to fit. Plus, you have to, with this model, you had to order the steering servo plate that goes underneath it. Yeah, the one you get, it won't fit in it, and I didn't really want to cut too much into it since I got plans for my C10 to make it four-wheel steer. So, but yeah, as of right now, I'm loving the Jeep. I don't know what I'm gonna put the K5 Blazer body on, but we'll see what transpires with that. I got a lot of new stuff coming for the channel coming up, but it won't be till around Christmas time. Work and everything is kind of slowing everything down. But that's to be expected. Everybody has the same dilemmas. You can only do what you can do. It is what it is, folks. I want to say a big thank you to all the new subscribers and all my supporters and stuff for the channel. The channel's growing tremendously, and I'd love to see it get even bigger as I can get more gear and do some more of these videos and stuff. I hope everybody's enjoying them and stuff. They're sticking with me this long. Give me some comments, and yeah, thanks for everything, guys. We'll soon get more of this K5 Blazer body done, cleaned up, painted, and hopefully we'll get it done sooner than later. I hope everyone's staying safe and just enjoy RC, guys. More to come.